Hey guys, and welcome back finally to another video. Yes guys, I know that I haven't been uploading for a long time, to be honest, but I don't make videos like on a full-time job. I have my own problems and a lot of things happening, but really soon I promise I will get back with the one video for a week or something like that. If you are new in the channel, you don't know yet, of course, but I bought this Fiat Bravo 1.6 really cheap, and my mission was like give a good condition, not making a full restoration, because for me, in my opinion, restore a car, like many people say, it's like disassemble everything, and that's not gonna happen, at least with this car and for now. So I have at this moment two projects, one Audi A3 1.6 also, and this Fiat Bravo. And guys, first I begin to make this video and go straight to the point. Actually, I'm sorry because I'm not in my usual garage. I'm like in the middle of nowhere of a park, and the mission for this video is to make these wipers working. I will show you how to replace the motor, how to remove, of course, and how to replace. This is not a difficult job, but before you replace, you also should check if it's not working. You should check the fuses and the relays before you start disassembling this. If you already check the fuse and the relay, probably you have a problem in the motor. This is an old car, and I know that the problem is the motor, because I made like a cleaning in the engine bay in the past, long time ago, and I know the motor was not really cool at that time, but was working okay. And now starts raining. Nice. And finally the rain stopped a little bit, and let's see if I have time to fix this, because my wipers are not working and I need to make this car running like in a daily basis, because I need the car. And let's go, guys. And with the 13th socket I'm gonna remove this nut. Okay. This thing don't wanna come out, and I don't have a magnet right here, which is nice. Probably I will remove it later. Okay guys, I will remove the washer later, because I don't have a magnet here, I don't have my tools, nothing. Now I'm gonna do is to remove the arms. Okay, I will try to show you the difference between use like your hands and the right tool. Okay, I will try at least. Okay. Okay, it came out. Okay, now I'm gonna show you with the right tool. Okay, but you are forcing this, I don't like this. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. It's the right thing to do. No, it's not. So guys, this is the tool that I was talking about. I bought this on AliExpress. It was really cheap, and it's just simple, make the job. Okay. You just need to lock like this and then turn it. Now I need to remove this cover. I'm not sure if I'll have to remove both sides or just this one, but let's see. There is a small screws that you need to remove. Okay, mine is like a little bit dirty, but there is a few screws along this trim that you need to remove. Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot, there is another screw here that you need to remove on the corner. This one. So need to remove this cover, and there is a screw under here, okay? Guys, there is a screw on the middle. I'm not sure if I have to remove both parts or just one. This is like separated in the middle, and to be honest, I don't remember. Let's see. And no, there is these small clips that are under there, okay? Mine already missing one, I already knew it, but it is what it is. I can't find them, so it's okay. So there is 3 screws, 2 shorter ones and another one longer. 2 shorter ones on the sides and this one on the middle. Holy! Jesus! Oh yeah. Oh guys, look at this thing. I'm gonna do is to remove the plug, okay, and let's replace the motor. So guys, yesterday I did not record the installation. I just made a small video with my phone that I'm gonna show you because it's like always raining. The installation is just reverse process. One important thing, if you install a used one, you just need to remove one and install another one because the position should not be changed. But if you install just motor like I did, when you disassemble the arms to the motor with that metal piece, you need to pay attention to the position of that metal piece that makes the connection with the arms. It should be at the same or a similar position that you removed. Otherwise, the synchronism will be weird, okay? So take a picture like I did, or make a mark or something like that. But guys, let me show you this working. It's raining again, and I also have to replace in the Audi A3 because it's not working also, but I bought a used one for the Audi and probably I will show you in a video also. Okay guys, let me show you. So guys, as you can see, everything is working. Right now I'm in an electrical mess, because that's the reason that everything is disassembly, because I'm facing problems with the pump, and I already find out, but I'm waiting for parts. I need to assemble this thing because my electrical problem of Fiat, it's in the connector, a pin that is like loosened and sometimes it works, sometimes simply don't work. And guys, thanks for watching as usual. See you soon. Stay tuned.